Hey y'all, welcome to TXT Tells All, or welcome back if you're one of our subscribers. So, I love to do my travel videos, and I recently in May went to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina for my cousin's wedding. Beautiful beach wedding. We stayed at a family friendly resort called Dunes Village Resort. So, I'm doing a vlog on that. I have video footage, pictures. So, if you're considering Myrtle Beach for a family vacation or even for a beach wedding, make sure you watch this video to the end. Y'all know if you've seen any of my other travel videos, I'm always honest. I'll give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So make sure you watch this till the end. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Okay, so this is a video of the Myrtle Beach shoreline from Dunes Village Resort. We are standing on our balcony looking out. So as you can see, the hotel is right on the beach. And if you look down here, there's a lazy river, which was really nice. Lots of seating, a pool, a kiddie pool. So it was really actually a nice location. Okay, so here's just a close-up view of that lazy river that you were seeing from our balcony. It was really nice. The kids enjoyed it. It's not huge, but it was still nice to float around, and the water was warm, so that was also good. Okay, so here you see the pool outside, and also this area is coming right out from the hotel. The lazy river that you just saw is behind me. There are the balconies that face the pool area, and then right next to that pool you have the it was like an ice cream stand that wasn't open when I went in May of 2021. But over here you have the kids splash pad. Pretty sizable. It seemed like the kids enjoyed it. Really shallow water, so safe for young children. So here is footage of the indoor water slide and pool area. So that you saw before the outdoor part, which is right here, and right next to that is the indoor part. That was pretty cool for the kids. There was a pool in there, 2 large water slides, and they had towels right there that you can use. Seating for parents, not that much, but the kids seemed to be enjoying themselves with the water slide. Wasn't super crowded in May of 2021, and they did have signs about social distancing. So it was outside. It's still open area, so people weren't wearing their masks, but it wasn't too bad as far as the crowd. So this is another area that was cool. Indoor, outdoor splash pads, and this is the back where this second slide is. Okay, so this is the walk from the Dunes Village Resort Hotel right over to the beach. So like I said, the hotel is right on the beach. You just literally walk from the back of the hotel, and that's the back of the hotel, right over this walkway, and you're on the beach in 5 minutes or less. We took a little wagon with our beach stuff over, which was helpful. And it was really nice weather in May when I went. There are tents that you can, umbrellas that you can purchase. We didn't do that. We actually had our own umbrellas, and we kind of just set up shop with our chairs. Beach water was really nice and calm, so it was a good time and a good location. So they also had a life-size chess game outside, and I thought it was helpful. They also had outdoor bathrooms that were pretty clean. So this is the elevator inside the Palmetto Tower. Now this is a picture of the hallway, and it is kind of old and not like the best inside the hotel. Told y'all I was gonna be real. Here are some pictures of the room that we were in. Kind of old, but I mean it was clean. Bathrooms, everything was okay. But I can say it's a really family-friendly resort, basically for the kids. So here's a picture of the kitchen area, little kitchenette, little stove. Helpful if you want to cook with kids and things like that. There were dishes and all that. Refrigerator, there's the Murphy bed. And then I don't know, didn't have a picture of the other bed, but there is another bed in the room that was like a queen-size bed. So there was another single seating area with a flat screen TV. There was a little vanity area, which was helpful outside the bathroom. And then there's a closet with a safe. The closet had a ironing board and iron in there. So, I mean, the room was pretty sizable and comfortable. It just was a little dusty, like I said before, and kind of old, but it worked. So they also had on-site food available, breakfast and lunch. We didn't do it, so I don't know how the food was. Then they had activity schedule for the kids. So it seemed like more than enough to do for kids. Here's some footage of the wedding. It was definitely a beautiful day. The beach wedding was really nice in Myrtle Beach. There are some areas in Myrtle Beach where you cannot have weddings legally. So from Dunes Village Resort to the place where my cousin had her wedding was about 15 to 20 minutes, but it was an easy straight drive and it was a beautiful wedding. So if you're thinking about Myrtle Beach, I would definitely say check it out. And Dunes Village Resort is pretty close and family friendly. So although I think we paid a little bit more than usual for that caliber of resort, it was accommodating of large families.